I'm an aspiring pediatric surgeon. I was like, okay, biochemistry, and I knew it was going to be hard. Everybody told me, but I like it. So at Baylor College of Medicine, I had the pleasure of being a SMART student. It's a summer undergraduate research program, and they pair you upon your interest. So mine was cancer, or is cancer, and pediatrics. My grandmother passed from cancer, so I was kind of interested in it more after she passed away, and then I've always loved kids. I presented on acute lymphoblastic leukemia in pediatric patients, which is a blood and bone marrow cancer. It's very common in pediatric patients, and it can affect your T cells or B cells, but mine focused on T cells. My lab previously found that there was a pathway that was highly activated that produced like leukemia cells after someone relapsed. So my job was to see if I could use a drug to stop this pathway. I conducted 3 experiments. It was a cytotoxicity assay, which was to test the toxicity of the drug. There was an apoptosis assay to see like if the drug is killing the cells and how fast. And then I conducted an immunoblot to see if there was a reduction of signal in the pathway to see if the drug was actually working. And needless to say, the drug was working, so that's good. And now like my lab can take over and further those steps to hopefully find another alternative therapy for those pediatric patients that suffer from TL. It was really hands-on. I used some of the techniques that I learned here at ODU, so like pipetting, culturing, cell culturing. I learned that in biochemistry, so it definitely was like an overall form of coming together. It's a lot of resources here at ODU that helped me, so then eventually I stepped outside of my comfort zone and I became a tutor. The MCAT is half and half, like biochemistry, so I said, well, why not have the best of both worlds? I wanted to be prepared for the MCAT, and my major, I definitely feel like it has all of the elements that I need to become a doctor. I graduate December 14th at 9 a.m. 2019. Can't wait.